Hi everyone, Matt from the pre-sales team at Net Support here, and today I've got a video for you looking at the latest feature in classroom.cloud, which is our scheduled safeguarding reports. Now, the ability to receive emails when phrases have been triggered or concerns have been raised by students at your school is something that's been in the product ever since we launched the safeguarding module. But the scheduled reports allow you to have emails sent on a schedule, and you can choose what safeguarding data you want to be contained in those emails. So let's take a look at how you set this up. So this can be done at one of two levels. You can do it at an organizational level. So if we just jump into the settings here and into safeguarding, you'll see the safeguarding summary report tile there. Or you can do it on an individual site level. So if we jump into my site here and into the settings, safeguarding summary report. So this is really easy to set up. All you need to do is click on the create report button. You can choose whether you want a report based on concerns that have been raised by your students or phrases that are triggered. Now, because I'm setting this up at a site level, this site drop down is grayed out. If you're doing it at an organizational level, you'll be able to pick the site or sites you want to be included for this report. We then get to pick the users that we want the emailed report to go to. So I'm just going to pick my user here. The priority of the phrase matches. So I'm just going to select for urgent phrases. I'm going to leave all my categories selected here. And I want to see everything. So I'm going to get all of those statuses there. And I want every single type of phrase. So we'll tick all those. And we'll have all the risks. Include all our safeguarding groups, and let's pick all our device groups as well. Now I need to pick when I want the report to be sent, so I'm going to go for weekly, and I want this to be sent on a Friday, and we'll go for 4 o'clock after the school day has ended there. I click on add. If we just jump to the phrases tab here, you can see that that report has gone in there, so really quick and easy for you to set up. And then finally, if we just jump into my inbox here, this is an example of what you'll get. So you can see it's got all the filter categories here. It's telling me exactly how many phrase matches have met this criteria. And then if I click on the link in the email and we just sign in, it will actually take me to the phrase match section with a filter automatically applied based on the criteria that I've set in my report, so I can then see and review and take any action on the phrases that have been reported there. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.